Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to watch a full U.S. citizenship interview from start to finish. This mock interview is based on the real USCIS naturalization process, including N-400 application questions, civics test, English reading and writing test, and tips on what to expect from the USCIS officer. If you're preparing for your own citizenship interview, this is exactly what you need. So watch till the end, take notes, and don't forget to subscribe for more real interview practice videos.
Ms. Lopez?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, I am Officer Miller. I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Lopez. May I see your green card, state-issued ID, and passport, please?
Yes. Here they are.
Thank you. Now, please stand and raise your right hand.
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Great. You may sit down.
Thank you.
Can you please state your full legal name?
My full name is Sofia Maria Lopez.
Can you spell your last name for me?
Sure. Lopez.
What is your alien registration number?
A0987654332.
What is your country of birth?
Colombia.
What is your social security number?
4137290052.
What is your date of birth?
March 15, 1990.
What is your current home address?
782 River Avenue, Miami, Florida.
How long have you lived there?
For 6 years.
Let's go over a few questions to know about your background and moral character. Have you ever had problems at the airport or with immigration officers when you traveled?
No, officer.
Have you ever been stopped or questioned by ICE?
No.
Have you ever been involved in a civil lawsuit?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No. Never.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No. Never.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No. Never.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes. I understand.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No. Never.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes. I understand.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No, officer.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes, officer. I volunteer at local health fairs and participate in neighborhood cleanup events.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No. Never.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever been arrested outside the United States?
No. Never.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes. I registered in 2022.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No. Never.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No. Never.
Have you ever received any traffic ticket?
Yes. One for speeding.
Did you pay the fine?
Yes. I paid it right away.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Did you file your taxes for the last 5 years?
Yes. Every year jointly with my husband.
Can you confirm that you do not owe any back taxes to the federal or state government?
Yes, I confirm. I do not owe any taxes.
Okay. Please show me your tax return.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. How do you support yourself?
I do a job.
Where do you currently work?
I work as a receptionist at Miami Community Health Clinic.
Okay. What is your work address?
1290 Health Plaza, Miami, Florida 33131.
What is the phone number for your employer?
305 5557 832.
How long have you been working there?
For 4 years.
Okay. What is your highest level of education?
High school diploma from Bogota, Colombia.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me, and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful?
Checks and balances.
What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress?
The Senate and House of Representatives.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4, 1776.
What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Serve on a jury.
When must all men register for the Selective Service?
At age 18.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
All people of the state.
Great. You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now, I will go through your N-400 application to verify everything is correct. And you filled up your application by fully understanding. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No.
What is alimony?
Money paid to ex-spouse after divorce.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No. I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No. I have never been arrested.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No. Never.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
What is genocide?
Killing a whole race.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, officer.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Said you are a U.S. citizen.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. I have always paid my taxes.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No. Never.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, officer.
What is rescission?
Canceling legal status.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No. Never.
What is overthrow government?
Remove government by force.
What is unconstitutional?
Against the U.S. Constitution.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No. Never.
What is Communist Party?
Political group with no private property.
What is totalitarian party?
Party with total control, no freedom.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No. Never.
What is dictatorship?
Government with one ruler, full power.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, absolutely.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, absolutely.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes. I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Thank you for answering honestly. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Why do people come to America?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. People come to United States to be free. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any other questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No. Never.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No. I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
What is convicted?
Found guilty in court.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
What is assault?
Attack someone.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. Never.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No. Never.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No, officer.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No. Never.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law, but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
What is commit a crime?
Do something illegal.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No. Never.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No. I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No. Never.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No. Never.
What is sabotage?
Destroy or damage on purpose.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No. Never.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No. I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No. Never.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, officer.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No. Never.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes. I am married.
When did you get married?
In 2015.
Where did your marriage take place?
It took place in Bogotá, Colombia.
Okay. Is this your first marriage?
Yes. This is my first marriage.
What is your husband's full name?
His name is Daniel Lopez.
What is your spouse's date of birth?
May 20th, 1987.
What is your husband's legal status?
He is a naturalized U.S. citizen.
When was he naturalized?
He was naturalized in 2015.
Okay. How many times has your spouse been married?
My husband was married for once.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes. We have one daughter.
What is your daughter's name and age?
Her name is Isabella, and she is 6 years old.
Where was your daughter born?
She was born in Miami.
Please provide me your daughter's birth certificate.
Sure.
Thank you. Okay. Did you travel outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes, officer. I traveled to Colombia 2 times in the last 5 years.
How long was your first trip?
That was about 2 weeks.
Please tell me about your last trip.
My last trip was about 7 months.
7 months? That is longer than 6 months. Can you explain why you were outside the United States for that long?
Sure. My mother became very sick, and I had to take care of her in Colombia. She had surgery and needed my support.
Okay. Do you have proof of this medical emergency?
Yes, officer. I brought hospital records and a doctor's letter with me.
Okay. Please provide me hospital records and doctor's letter.
Sure.
Thank you. During that 7-month trip, did you intend to abandon your permanent residence in the United States?
No, officer. I kept my home in Miami, continued paying my rent and bills. And my husband and daughter stayed in the U.S. I came back as soon as my mother recovered.
Did you keep your job here during your long trip outside the U.S.?
Yes, officer. I took unpaid leave from my job and returned to the same position when I came back.
How did you file your taxes that year? As a resident or non-resident?
I filed my taxes as a resident.
Thank you for the explanation. That shows you did not abandon your permanent residence. Ms. Lopez, I reviewed your long trip outside the United States. Because you provided strong evidence that you did not abandon your permanent residence, your home, your family, your taxes, and your job. I will accept your explanation.
Thank you.
I am recommending your application for approval.
Thank you.
You will receive a notice for your oath ceremony in the mail. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You may leave now.